Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and we've got 3 new products that just came in the shop, and I know you're gonna love them. Here I have the ARSY Mask Dust Mask. Now it's going to be perfect for anyone spending a lot of time in a wood shop or places like an attic where there's just stuff floating around in the air and you don't want to be breathing stuff like that in. Now I found it really great because it's super comfortable. There's 2 different options, one that you can strap around your neck and then another option that gives you a little bit better fit sometimes where there's 2 straps and it holds on your face a little bit better. Now both options have this really breathable mesh fabric and a replaceable active carbon liner that you can replace anytime you need to. They also have replaceable vents here that actually blow the air down instead of up into your eye protection. You don't want your eye protection fogging up, and this helps prevent that. Now a few other cool things about this is that it's got an adjustable nose strap here that you can squeeze and fit to your face really nice. And it's got a bag, so you can keep it dust-free when you're not using it, and it just helps with finding it and storing it. So you can get either of these options for $35, and you can get the replacement liners for $7 for a pack of 3. You can find both of these at arsymask.com. Remember, that's the ARSY Mask Dust Mask. So here we have DeWalt's 23 gauge pin nailer. Now it's going to be great for those finished carpenters or fine furniture builders, someone who's going to be attaching delicate trim or someone who doesn't want to fill a bunch of nail holes. Now where other pin nailers only shoot 1 or 1.5 inch pin nails, this one can shoot 2-inch pin nails. There are others out there that can do that, but you're going to be spending around $250. This one is a great value at $150. And it's got all the great features that those pin nailers have as well, like a safety trigger right here so you don't have to worry about misfiring. It's got a no-mar tip, a belt loop, and what's really great is if there's a jam, it's really easy to dislodge that jam with the no-tool jam release. You can adjust the depth of the pins. Now another great thing about this gun is that it's got an auto lockout feature, meaning it will stop firing once you run out of nails. Now you can get these at home centers or online for around $150, and that is the DeWalt 23 gauge pin nailer. Here are the Triton Superjaws. Now it's for anyone looking to upgrade their ordinary sawhorses into something much more versatile. Now it does act as a great sawhorse, nice and sturdy, it's got a wide base, but it also has the added features of being able to hold small things and large things with this clamp right here. You can hold small things like this and then clamp it down and it holds it nice and tight for you, or you can spin it around and hold much larger objects. You can even put a piece of plywood in here and now you've got a big work table. And the 3-leg design is really great because it allows you to move around your workspace without running into anything. Now it really is a great third hand in your workshop whenever you need it, but the really great thing about this helper is that you can fold it up and put it in the corner until the next time you need it. But really, it's gonna stay out all the time because it is that versatile. Now you can find it online and at woodworking retailers for $130, and that is the Triton Superjaws. So there you have it, 3 products that we at Family Handyman love, and we know that you will too. So catch us again on Stuff We Love.